Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will be taking a look into Summit DeFi, the newest protocol on Phantom blockchain. So here is the website, and as the slogan suggests over here, risk the milk, not the cow. Which this basically means is that the user is risking their yield for a chance to generate double or more yield. In worst scenario, the user might not get the yield, but the principal amount is intact. I will be explaining this further down this video. So let's take a look into the various nitty-gritties of the platform. So this is the Plains pool, and one of the USP of Summit is it lets the user choose their totems. Now what are totems? Totems are these animals. So Plains pool has two totems. One is the hare and the other is the tortoise. And now based on the randomness of the code, it chooses one totem to win each round. Now the round will last for 2 hours, and in the 2 hours the user will be able to generate yield on their position. How much multiples is mentioned over here. So the tortoise right now is getting 1.8x and the hare is getting 2.2x. So what this essentially means is that if you have deposited, let's say, $1,000 in this Summit pool, and as you can see that this is showing a daily APR of 3.33%. So what it essentially is doing, so in this particular pool, if a user is depositing over here, so he or she will be eligible to get a daily of 3.33%. that comes to a total of, let me show it to you. It will be $33. So this is the yield in a traditional farm that the user will generate. But over here in Summit DeFi, in the Plains pool, the user will have a chance to double this amount. How? By choosing one of the totems. So let's say I have deposited $1,000 in the Summit pool and I have chosen the hare totem, which is giving 2.2x. So basically what this means is on this $33.3 I will get 2.2x returns. So this will basically give me $73 each round. Now there is a probability that I may not win a particular round, and in that case I will not be generating this $33. So which is fine for me because I am here to gamble, I am here to make more money in short duration of time. But if I win in one round, so I will be getting this much amount. Now let's assume in a day I am winning 5 rounds, for example. So on $73 I am getting 365. See, on 5 times I have won this reward, and I have generated around $365, which is great for a yield farm to be giving out to their users. So I have deposited some amount in this Summit pool, then I have deposited in this USDC pool and some in the Phantom pool, as because Phantom, as you have all seen, is blowing up in recent times, and there is a high probability that Phantom will keep on pumping as there is so many bullish news that is coming down the line. Now it is no brainer that I will be depositing in the Phantom pool, and getting 1% yield on my Phantom position is very good. Now this is their Oasis pool, and this is complete opposite of the Plains pool. In Oasis, the user is getting 1x return, and this is a safe pool. What this means is that if you stake here, you get what you see, which means that if you stake $1,000 in this Summit pool, you will be getting a fixed total return of 3% daily, which may go up or down basis the total total value locked, but this is what you are getting. In the plains pool, you may or may not get this daily percentage, but in Oasis pool, you are getting this percentage on your position, which is very safe. And people who are not willing to take on the risk of the plains pool can easily come over here to the Oasis pool and can get high returns here as well. So if I see, USDC pools is still giving 0.80% returns, which is very good on a stable coin. Phantom position is giving me 1% daily. Now these are the single stake tokens. If I go on to the LP tokens, so Phantom and Summit LP is giving 11% daily, which is very high. And if you are bullish long term on Phantom, you can pair it up with USDC, or if in fact even USDT, whichever suits best for you, and you can stake on this Oasis pool for a daily 2% return, so which is unthinkable. Now just like the plains pool is giving this 2x rewards, Summit is also bringing Mesa and Summit pools. In Mesa, you will be getting 5x reward, and the total lockup will be 4 hours for each and every round. And for Summit, this will be 8-hour rounds and the reward will be 10x. Now I am not here to play it safe, as I have already mentioned it to you. And in these type of farms, the quicker you hit this farm, the more yield you will be generating on your position. Alright, so saying that, let's take a look in their documents, and for which I will be sharing the link down below. And if I just check over here, see, it is the motto which has been written over here. We let you win your neighbor's yield, we let you win your block's yield, hell, we let you win your entire town's yield. Alright, they can also win your yield as well. So this is what I have been mentioning, and this is certainly new and experimental kind of yield farming that I have seen, and this comes with its own risk and rewards. So always do your own research before investing. Also, Summit has a referral program over here, and let me show it to you. So this allows you to refer this Summit to your friends and earn 1% bonus on your staking rewards. So this means that, for example, you are getting 3% over here, so you will be getting 1 more percent on this, means 4% daily. So which is again good if you have a bunch of friends and you all want to check out what is Summit. You can all refer yourselves and earn that 1% more. And if you want to support me, you can come over to my Twitter and you can DM me, and I can give you the referral of mine, so that you can go ahead and enjoy the referral bonus over here. And top of that, I see that Summit has already been audited by Obelisk. Now let me inform something to you, that no DeFi protocol is safe from hacks, but these audits do help a little. And as you can see, Summit is audited by Obelisk, so there is that. Now I agree that this is a high risk, high reward project, but if you are early to the farms, then you can definitely generate huge returns. I certainly can take the high risk and I am not playing safe. Otherwise I would be in farms like Curve or Yearn. So I will leave all the links down below of their Twitter and their audit and docs and everything. So if you feel like it, you can research about this project in your own time. And if you like today's video, like it, share it and subscribe it. So this is me, Crypto 8-Bit, signing off until next time.